This is lesson 11 for course 1, problems combining and separating. What we're going to be looking at today is combining word problems and separating word problems, and some of them will be with a missing number. So as we read this, we need to remember a couple of things. When you are adding, you have two addends or more that equal a sum. Okay, now this is how we're used to looking at addition. Addend plus addend equals sum. What we're looking at today is you start with sum, so a number, you add some more, and you end with a total. This gives us the equation S plus M equals T. Sum more total. Okay, this is our solving equation. We need to remember this because when we are doing our problems, we need to know which number we are missing to be able to find it. So let's read this together. Jenny rode her bike on a trip with her bicycle club. After the first day, Jenny's trip odometer showed that she had traveled 86 miles. Okay, so first day, 86. After the second day, it showed she had traveled a total of 163 days. Total is a really important word in there. How far did Jenny ride the second day? So notice this is the question. How far did Jenny ride the second day? Which means 163 is not the second day because it's asking you how far she rode. So that means we are missing our more, and 163 is our total. So we have the sum, we have the total, but we're missing our more. How we're going to find that is we are going to do the inverse. So remember, the inverse to addition is subtraction. If I can do addition going down, I can do subtraction going up. So we're going to switch it around. 163 take away 86. 3 take away 6 I can't do. I need to borrow from the 7 or 6, which makes that 5. This becomes 13 because I've brought a 10 over from that column. So this is now 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 take away 6 is 7. We have 5 take away 8. Can't do that. Borrow from the hundreds. Bring 100 over. We now have 150, but we'll say 15 to make our life easier. 15 take away 8, which is also 7. And 0 take away nothing is 0. So we now have 77. So I should have more, or M is 77. And if this was a test or in your work, I would like you to prove it, please, by doing 86 plus 77 should give me 163. If it does not, then you need to go back and check your math to make sure, see where you've gone wrong. If you check this and it's still good, come back and check this again, see if your math was wrong here. If both are still wrong, then that is a time to call a teacher over to see where you have gone wrong. Or ask a friend at your table and see if they can find the problem. But again, you have sum, more, total. So today we are missing the more. So remember, you need to decide which number you're missing. Now, the nice thing about addition is that no matter which of these two numbers you're missing, the sum or the more, you are still going to do the same thing, which is take the total and subtract whatever number you have from the total. Okay? Subtraction, not as nice. We're going to do that now. So this is our subtraction problem. On Saturday, 47 people volunteered to clean up the lake, clean out the park. Some people chose to remove trash from the lake. The remaining 29 people left to clean up the hiking trails. How many people chose to remove trash from the lake? So when you're looking at subtraction, what you're looking with is the beginning number. Or beginning amount. Subtract, some went away. Equals what remains. Now again, in normal, what we normally talk about is the beginning amount is the subtrahend, the sum went away is the minuend, and what remains is the difference. That is normally what we look at for a subtraction problem. For this, we're looking like this, which tells us this is, it is B take away S, or sorry, B take away A for the amount. So sum went away, B beginning amount, away amount equals remaining. Okay, so the B take away A equals R. We're going to erase that now. And we're going to show it just up here. Beginning amount, take away, sum went away, equals the remainder. Beginning amount, sum went away, remainder. Okay, B take away A equals R. So let's take a look at what numbers we are missing. On Saturday, 47 people volunteered to clean up the park. Okay, 47 people. Some people chose to remove trash from the lake. The remaining 29 people left to clean up the hike trails. How many people chose to remove trash from the lake? So what we have is we start off with the beginning amount is 47. And then we had some went away, right? Some went to go do something else. And 29 people, so this is the A, and then 29 people decided to clean up the hiking trails. So how many people chose to remove trash from the lake? This is what we're missing, is that some went away, or the amount that went away. So we have 47. Okay, that's the beginning amount. We are missing the sum went away. Okay, that's what this A is, because it said that some people went to go do the lake, and our question asks us how many people went to remove trash from the lake, and that was our some people did. So we need to figure out how to find this one. Well, how we're going to do that is we are going to do not the inverse, okay? Because if we did the inverse right now, what would happen? Let's find out. So remember 47, when we're doing subtraction, this number, the starting number, okay, or the starting amount needs to be the biggest. If this number is bigger than this number, our subtraction doesn't work. So we need a number less than 47. Can we add 29 to 47 and get a number less than 47? No, we can't. So if we added 47 and did 29 and added them together, we would get 16, carry the 2, 76. 76 is bigger than 47. So we can't do this for this missing number question. What we need to do instead, because it is the sum went away that's missing, is we are just going to continue subtracting. So we're going to do 47, take away 29. 7 take away 9 we can't do. We're going to borrow from the tens column. This is now 17. 17 take away 9 is 8. 3 take away 2 is 1. 18 should be our missing number. So you should be able to do 47 add 18, or sorry, take away 18 is 29. Okay, now if this didn't work, you'd want to come back and check, just like for addition. You just want to come back and check to make sure that you've done all of your math correctly. Again, because we were missing this number, we couldn't do addition. We had to do subtraction. If you were missing this number, you could do addition, because then you want the biggest number. But for this number, you have to do subtraction. That is lesson 11, problems combining and separating, for course 1.